Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a 2023 SeaRay 290 SDX. Starting off with the back of the boat here, see a nice area back here, cup holders, plenty of seating while you're anchored out. Then also this one has a manual flip down, so you can pull this up, drop this down into the water for additional seat or entry into the boat. Alright, coming into the boat here. As you walk into the cockpit on this boat, you'll see on the starboard side of the boat this nice wet bar where you're going to have storage underneath here. And then you're going to have your sink over here. And it covers up, have a nice flush look on the countertop. Underneath, you're going to have your trash can. And under the wet bar here, plenty of storage. One of my favorite things about the 290 SDX is all the space in the cockpit here. You have this long L-shaped sectional here, and then the backrest pulls back this way, opens it up for even more room. You have the same thing over here for your captain's seat. Everybody's at the back of the boat. You got the anchor out. Everybody's facing back now. Very social, very inviting. Coming up to the helm here, you see we have the nice Simrad glass dash. Good size Simrad, so easy to read. And you have the new Mercury shifter. Back over to the port side, you have this nice head down here, and that is vacuum flush. Alright, coming into the front of the boat now. Second favorite thing about the 290 SDX is how much space you have up front. You don't have a real pointy front end on these, so you kind of have the flare out, and it allows a lot of space up in the front. And this model also has the windlass anchor, make an anchor in a breeze. Once again, Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2023 SeaRay 290 SDX. Thanks. Have a great day.